About 2 years ago, I was 167 pounds heavier than what I am now. I lost about 146 pounds when I decided to start having the repair work done from all that excess weight. The weight was gone, the skin remained, and it wouldn't tighten up. And I'm 52 years old, and I started my research. I had a girlfriend that had done some research, and she had actually started the process sooner than me. And I had full intentions of just going to her doctor because I trusted the research she had done. And I went for an interview with that doctor, but something didn't quite fit. This just didn't seem like it was a good fit. So I did a little bit more research, and I came across mybeautifulbody.com, which is where I first started learning about Dr. Newall, and I decided to make an appointment. So I made an appointment, and Patty was my first contact here. I came in for the visit, and Patty was unbelievable. She was confident and led me in the right direction to make a decision that this would be a good fit. If I liked the doctor, I already liked the staff. They were very friendly, accommodating. I didn't feel self-conscious. Then I met Dr. Newall, and he came in, and he looked at me, and I was, of course, embarrassed a little bit because I had never been through anything like that before, and we were actually targeting my body. So he started explaining to me what he thought that he could do for me, and he spent the needed time that made me feel comfortable. We clicked. He made me feel wonderful. At that time, it was unbelievable the way that I looked and the way that I felt. And the staff, they made me feel comfortable because when I did undress and I had the robe on and it's got one button and you're trying to wrap it around you, and then people come in and you're disrobing, I thought that was going to be the most horrible thing in the world that I had to face. And it wasn't like that at all. The experience that I had, sure, you're a little uncomfortable, but they put me at such ease. I didn't feel like anybody was gawking at me or thinking negative thoughts about the shape that my body was in at that time. And I felt very uncomfortable coming in and very confident going out. My friend who had the surgery first, she at that time had expressed how unhappy she was with the results of her scarring, the amount of lipo that she felt like she didn't get for the same job, and there were some issues that she wasn't happy with concerning her waistline. So I then gave her, she was amazed at the way that I looked, and I was only about maybe 3 months from surgery at that time, past my surgery. And my scarring, the placement of the scars, and the overall comparison of waistlines and the outline of the breast was so much better that she took his name, my Dr. Newall's name and phone number, and made a consultation with him and had some corrections done. He did a second procedure on me, which included the arm lift and a complete thigh lift. And today, I'm 10 days out, and I am almost back to normal. I am dressing in my regular clothes. I am wearing boots. I'm driving myself around. I'm taking walks for exercise. I was off the pain medication in 2 days. The scars are so minimal. I'm very, very fortunate. I have a good doctor and I scar well. So between the two of us, we have come out with a product that is completely different from where I was when I came here. And it has been more than life-changing for me. When I first came here, I didn't feel feminine. I actually carried a wallet in my back pocket. I'm an avid motorcycle rider, and that scene allowed me to slip into denial, allowed me to cover up what I didn't want people to see, which was my entire body. I wouldn't go swimming. I wouldn't wear a pair of shorts. I didn't own a dress. I didn't have any pretty shoes or pretty clothes. It was just a state of mind that I was in. And after the first transformation that he did, the first surgery, I started to transform. And I started to redo my wardrobe. And I became, the woman that was inside of me started coming out. It's a total transformation of mind and body and self-esteem, attitude. I feel like I can accomplish the world.